Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing a mail time. And I got a couple of gifts so far from a couple friends, so shall we get into it? Now, while we will be doing that, we'll also be seeing if we get some more gifts. So let's continue. That's me, guys, you know me. I made a couple new looks. That's one of my new looks. I don't really know why I made it. I just made it. I also have these looks. I'm kind of like warrior look, green, red. This is my main look though. And if you're curious about what background music it is, Treat You Better by Shawn Mendes. But it's by Anime. But anyway, well, while we're waiting, let's just go, take a den pet war. This is basically my pet den. Look at all the beautiful pets. Well, I have a couple gifts here. Two. This one's from my best friend. This one is from someone else. And then right here is, these green elf gauntlets. Well, bracelets, I mean. Are something that someone gave to me for it. So, yeah. We'll be saving the gifts to the end. So let's go see you get some gifts, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and turn the music up, guys. She's just not right for you. You can tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that she's the one that you want. You're spending all your time in this wrong situation. Couldn't tell me why to stop. I don't want you to. Well, let's go ahead and open the gifts that. Oh, music was so loud. Okay, let's go ahead and open the gifts that we already have. And then if we get more gifts, we'll get more gifts. So, of course, we have the green elf bracelets right there. So, let's start with the other gifts we got. Let's start with Club Wolf 1. Huge shout out to Club Wolf 1. I don't know what she gave me, but okay, thank you. Let's see what. So, Allie313. Well, on YouTube, she's Allie313AJ. She is my best friend. She actually lives down the street from me. So, yeah. And then, yes, it is just literally amazing to have her as my friend. So, let's go ahead and open her gift. She's also doing a mail time, and I gifted her, so I hope it gets kind of good. Thank you, Allie313. A rare Frankenstein mask. Thank you, Allie. Matter of fact, guys, let's go get her. Alright? Let's do a den tour, okay? Ah! Let's do a den tour. See what her den's like. This is kind of nice, kind of clovery, pixelish. My score for her den would have to be, I would say 9 out of 10. Hold on, let me tell something. So that's my best friend right there. Hey, Daddy. Don't mind. Well, so, yep, that'll be it. So, see ya.